Welcome. If you want to enable or disable subtitles in Samsung Frame TV, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down to the general, enter for accessibility. Right now we have to scroll down, and right here we can find subtitle settings, so click OK to enter and click OK to turn it on. At the bottom you can find other settings like subtitle mode, subtitle language, secondary and primary language. You can adjust it to your own preferences. If you want to turn it off, just go for the subtitle and click OK. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.